Hello students, welcome to StudyNet. In this particular section, we will know about valley bridge, which is also known as the anabatic bridge, or you can say anabatic wind, and mountain bridge. Mountain bridge is also known as the katabatic bridge, or you can say katabatic wind. So what is concept behind this bridge is we will see in this lecture. So let's start the discussion. Suppose guys, this is a surface and this is a mountain and this is a valley. Okay, so this is a valley and this is a mountains. So guys, suppose this mountain's height is up to the 3 kilometer. Okay, or you can say more than, okay, take 5 kilometer. So mountain height is up to the 5 kilometer and the valley is up to the 2 kilometer. Okay, this is up to the 2 kilometer. So guys, mostly clouds are present up to the 2 kilometer height. Okay, so clouds are present up to the 2 kilometer height over the valley, but in case of mountain there are no cloud present. Okay, so in a daytime, suppose this is a sun. So in a daytime, the incoming solar radiation falling on the mountain and incoming solar radiation also falling on the valley surface like this. So you can see in case of mountain, the all over sun rays falling reaching on the mountain surface, but in case of valley there are some rays reaching on the valley surface. So guys, cloud, in case of this, the mountains will receive the more heat, so this means the mountain will become more hot. But in case of valley, the valley receiving less heat because some heat is it absorbed by the clouds, because cloud has a property to absorb incoming solar radiation. So in case of valley will receive less heat, so that's mean the valley become or valley will be a less warm, but mountain will become the more warm. So in case of mountains there will be a higher temperature. So and in case of valley there will be a lower temperature. Okay, so suppose in case of valley there is a low temperature. So whenever the higher temperature, I told you in many lectures, higher temperature mean there will be a lower pressure. Okay, and lower temperature mean there will be a higher pressure. So in this case the wind will blow like this, valley, from valley towards the mountains. Okay, so in this case, because wind always blow from the higher pressure to the lower pressure, so wind will blow from valley towards the mountain. So this wind is called as the valley bridge, or you can say anabatic wind. Okay guys, now talk about the mountain bridge or katabatic bridge. Suppose this is a surface and this is a mountain and this is a valley, and suppose guys this is a daytime. Okay, this is a daytime. So mountain height is up to the 3 kilometer, sorry 5, we take 3 kilometer or 4 kilometer. Okay, 5 kilometer, and valley height up to the 2 kilometer, and the clouds also present. I told you cloud present up to the 2 and 3 kilometer height. So cloud is here over the valley. So in a night, mountain will emit whatever he received the incoming solar radiation. In a daytime he will emit completely. Okay, he will emit his radiation into the space, but in case of valley cannot remove its radiation just because the cloud present over this, because cloud has a property, it can also absorb also outgoing terrestrial radiation. So in this case, cloud which are present over the valley, they will absorb radiated radiation which are emitting by the valley. So in this case, the valley will be in a higher temperature and mountain will be in a lower temperature, because mountain emit his all over heat which it received in a daytime. Okay, so mountain has a low temperature. So in a low temperature means there will be a higher pressure, and in the valley there will be a low pressure. Okay, so in this case, wind will blow from mountain towards the valley like this. Okay, because wind always blow from higher pressure towards the lower pressure. So in this case, wind blow from mountain towards the valley. So this wind is known as the katabatic wind, or you can say mountain breeze. Okay guys, so this was the concept behind the valley breeze and mountain breeze. I hope you like this lecture. Thank you.